Determine the least common multiple of the numbers 20, 32, and 56. A multiple of a number is obtained by multiplying it by a natural number. Recall that natural numbers are in the set of numbers 1, 2, 3, etc. As an example, 4 times 2 equals 8, and 4 times 3 equals 12. We can then say that 8 and 12 are multiples of 4. The least common multiple of 2 or more numbers is the smallest multiple that is shared by all the numbers. As an example, for 6 and 8, first of all, 6. The multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, and so on. For 8, the multiples are 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, and so on. Note that the first one that we come to that is common is 24. We can then say that the least common multiple for 6 and 8 is 24. Note that multiplying all of the numbers will give a common multiple, but often it will not be the lowest common multiple. As an example again, for 6 and 8, 6 times 8 equals 48. Note this is not the LCM. It is a common multiple. This is actually doubled the lowest common multiple. For larger numbers, listing all multiples until obtaining a common one can often be time-consuming. Instead, we can use prime factors to calculate the LCM. Simply prime factorize all numbers, which means finding all of the prime number factors. Multiply the highest amount of each prime factor for each number to get the LCM. For our question, our first number is 20. Let's prime factorize 20, first by breaking it up to 5 times 4, and then we can break the 4 up to 2 times 2. Our second number, 32. We can write that as 8 times 4. The 8 can be written as 4 times 2, and the 4 as 2 times 2, and then the 4 we have left also can be written as 2 times 2. Finally, 56. We can write that first as 8 times 7. We can then write the 8 as 4 times 2, and then the 4 as 2 times 2. Looking at first the 32, we have 5 2's. For the 20, we have 1 5, and for the 56, we have 1 7. The LCM will then be 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 5 times 7. This gives a result of 1,120.